Hello, everyone. This time we'll be discussing Pollution Control Officer accreditation application. To qualify for Pollution Control Officer accreditation, the Pollution Control Officer must complete a 40-hour basic training course for Pollution Control Officer from DNR EMB accredited training institution like JP Environment Consultancy Services. Now, after attending the training, after completing the training, the appointed PCO shall submit the pertinent documentary requirements to DNR EMB Regional Office. And as of this time, we are submitting our application via online. So there's the implementation of the online pollution control officer application system. In the online pollution control officer application system via pco.emb.gov.ph, the appointed or designated PCO who has completed the basic PCO training course in a category A or category B establishment will submit all the requirements to the PCO online application system. The applicant, the PCO, shall have an account and complete the profile, upload the applicable requirements subject to evaluation of EMB. So once the evaluation has been completed, and if it satisfy all the requirements, the DNR EMB will issue an order of payment. The payment for the application fee is 500 pesos, which can be settled at the Land Bank LinkBiz portal. So the proof of payment will be uploaded to the system, and within 20 working days in the processing of this application, leading to the issuance of the certificate of accreditation issued only by the concerned EMB regional office. So the application for PCO accreditation can be for the first time or new or renewal purposes. And both new and renewal application can be applied online via pco.emb.gov.ph and shall pay the application fee amounting to 500 pesos. The validity of the issued certificate of accreditation is 3 years, both for new application and with the approved renewal application. Important point, prior to the application of the PCO accreditation is to ensure that the establishment, the company profile is registered to the DNR company registration system via client.emb.gov.ph. Now, the pollution control officer, after submitting all the requirements, will undergo proper screening and evaluation. And all the requirements pertaining to the application for accreditation shall be satisfied by the applicant. And after thorough evaluation by concerned individual office, they will tag the application as evaluated. And once the evaluation tagged as evaluated, there will be an issuance of an order of payment. So once the application fee amounting to 500 pesos was settled and uploaded the proof of payment to the system, there will be about 20 working days to act on the application and the issuance of certificate of accreditation. So that's how we secure the certificate of accreditation. That's how we apply for accreditation online. And I hope you have learned something about Pollution Control Officer accreditation application. And if you want to know more, the step-by-step procedure for the application of accreditation, please subscribe to this channel, please follow, please share this video. Thank you very much, everyone, and have a great day.